Good job, love. What's that? The next 7 plus 1?
Select an answer. Then select submit car traveling west.
Red car traveling west. Let me see. Red car traveling west.
This map shows the red car traveling west.
So this is the one. Red car traveling west.
Choose the map that shows the orange car traveling south.
Orange car.
Southeast.
Southeast.
South.
No, the compass
So,
shows.
nakikita kami na.
Yes, this map shows the orange car traveling southeast.
Southeast. So, that's his next test today. So look, 1 plus 0.
1.
Okay, go put. We have test today.
20, 21.
No, right here. It's equal, and then go over the answer down in the underline. Okay?
5.
Traveling northwest.
Northwest.
Your 5 is like S, ha? Improve sa 5, ha? Next is 5 plus 5.
10.
10, good job.
10 is an easy one.
No, that's correct. 1 and 0, not 1 and 0 and 1. 1 and, next, no, that's correct. 1 and, the 0 is in here, not in here. And what's next? 5 plus 4.
Okay, I don't even know.
Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. So, you rather sometimes use the iyang fingers than this thing. But yes, before, this one. He's using this one. He
The
likes
compass
this.
shows the blue car is traveling.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. No.
Good job.
2.
It's right here. You missed right here.
Oh.
There.
4. 8.
Yeah, it's fast. Fast counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Job.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. The next page. The last one test. Test, 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 test. Oh, this is for big numbers. Let's see. Just this one for now. This one. 8 plus 2. How many?
10.
10. Good job, love.
1 and 0.
Good job. And what's next?
6 plus 3.
6 plus 3. Okay. How many?
No. Wait, I know. 9.
9. Good job. You know how to write a 9? Because last time you put it down in that one. Good job. And what's next?
9.
9 again. 7 plus 2.
Navigating or finding our way around much easier. Let's
What's
learn
next?
about how technology
9
helps
plus
us navigate.
10.
Good job, love.
10 again.
Imagine you're
5
going to
plus
visit a
3.
friend, but you've never been to their house. You're not sure how to get there.
4,
Luckily,
5,
with
6,
today's
7,
technology,
8.
your phone or car probably has a GPS or global positioning system application. That means all you have to do is type in your friend's address to find the route to get
Good
there.
job. Go. Just
So how does that
yeah,
system
you need to learn like how to write the numbers, okay?
It knows where you are because
And
it
what's
receives
next?
signals from several satellites out in space.
3.
Those satellite shots or shops in the area.
Yep.
And the
Three
GPS
plus
will tell you
four.
how to get to them.
1, 2,
GPS apps can even be used to plan a route with multiple
Yep.
stops along the way. And they can tell you where traffic is backed up and give you a faster route to get to your destination. GPS is a system that uses satellites and maps to help us get from place to place.
1, 2,
Wow,
3, 4, 5.
GPS uses satellites to find your location and internet maps to find your destination.
How many?
10.
Shows routes from one
Good job,
location to
love.
Match each people.
5 plus 5. Ang yan notebook ni Ezekiel. Yan,
Wait,
oh.
that's my coloring
Yeah.
when you paint it.
Yep.
But I don't really like that coloring because it does a little bit in color.
Sige na. Sige, daghan pa rin siya reklamo.
Oh, it is hard.
What do you think?
I don't put it here.
Sa 6 plus 3 na siya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. 6 plus 3 equals 9. What's next? 8. Good job.
That's 5.
Mm-hmm. You're practicing your 8 tab.
10.
10. You're almost done in there, huh? Mommy will check your work later.
Add it, 21.
Mm. Okay.
And then 2 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
The
5,
trick
6,
is,
7.
sometimes
Okay.
I want to look at the big picture, but other times I want to see the little details on the map.
Ah, now that's a question of the to show
18,
certain things.
18,
For example,
19,
this map of New York City is trying to show the streets.
21. So 16 plus 1.
This state
No,
map of
21
New York
is
City
2 and
shows
1.
the entire state and other nearby states. It shows distance. On paper, these maps might be exactly the same size, but the neighborhood map shows the smaller places on each of the maps.
Then you put in your head 18. What's next when you count 18?
This is
Next.
important because we
Next
have
to 18.
to plan a route from one place to another.
19.
And we need to know how long it will take to get there.
20.
20.
Maps use scale to show the distance between locations.
What's the answer?
Map scale is the
21.
relationship between the distance on a map
A 1
and the
and a
distance
0.
on Earth.
No, 21. Look the same with the other one,
1
silly.
inch on the map.
2 and 1.
mile.
Oh.
1 and 0 is 10.
State map. 1 inch on the map stands for out.
Remember to put the big number in your head?
Plus.
Uh-huh.
Map scales
So it's gonna be
stand the distance from one location to another.
11.
Scale tells us how many inches on the
So
map.
do you know how to write 11?
How many
A
miles
one
you can
and
walk.
another one.
Uh-huh.
We
What's
can
next?
change the scale by
2
zooming
plus
in
1,
or out.
3.
Uh-huh.
Does that look good?
Order these map scales from the one that shows the smallest amount of land
And
to
then
the
you
one
write
that shows the largest amount of land.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. You okay, Matthias? I'll be back, okay? Go do your what? Remember the technique? When it's a big number, put it in your head, and then all the little numbers, put it in your fingers, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Something is out of
19,
order.
20,
Try again.
21, 22.
22, good job. Where are you? Where's 22 answer?
And, 2.
Yeah, where is that 22 answer? Answer 22.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So do you know 22?
2 and a 2.
Okay. Good job.
It is out of order.
Yeah, go try your best, Matthias. Good job. What's next? What's that number?
It's 14.
14.
6.
Okay, let's see.
15,
Mhm.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good
A
job.
0 and a 2.
Yep, first two. First two first, na, then 0. Yeah, mag-learn pa ka og how to write numbers going to 100, okay? But you're doing a great job.
Now do.
Yep. Yay. What's next?
Okay. 2 is. I could count for 1 minute. So sometimes I don't remember.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Yes, you ordered the
11,
map scales
12.
correctly.
12.
Okay, it's 12. And then 13, 14.
Oh, good job. 12 plus 2, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
10 to 14.
Good job, blah, blah.
Oh, it's 800.
800. Oh, that's 800 the last.
Yeah.
Matthias is doing his social studies.
10,
Sige na.
11,
Mm-hmm.
20.
Wait, what's 11? What's next to 11?
Choose the
Oh,
vocabulary.
so you will remember?
1, 2,
The relationship
3,
between the distance
4,
on the map and the
5,
distance on
6,
Here na siya, guys.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So,
So where you at? So 5 plus 10.
okay. 5 plus,
The 10 is in your hand. Then put 5 in the finger.
so 10 and then 11,
Uh-huh.
12,
Mhm.
13, 14, 15.
Yay, you know how to write 15?
Yeah, a 5 and a 1.
1 and a 5. Don't flip it, okay? Mm-hmm.
Choose the vocabulary word that
Oh, not look like an S, lab.
the relationship between
Remember we did that one? It looks like an S, okay? Remember, straight. Right there, straight like this. Like straight on the top.
Straight on the
And
top.
down. Okay, what's next? This is a big number.
Okay, it's
You can do
10.
it?
Yeah.
Did you know you can do that? So 5 plus 0. To make it easy.
Five.
5, go put the 5. 5 here first. That's it makes easy. So put 5. That one straight, this one straight. 5.
Right. And
No, easy.
8, 2.
Yeah, this one is easy now because they could pair. Then 1 plus 1.
2.
2. See that easy, it's a big number? Yeah? Because now they have a partner. So put number 2. Okay, so what's next? Go back again to.
7 plus 8.
Mm-hmm. It's
14,
Mhm.
14, 15, 17.
16 pa. 16.
Oh, 16, 17,
Mhm.
18, 19.
Yeah? Is it 19 now? So what's the answer? Okay. You know how to write 19?
A 1 and a 9.
Okay.
9.
Okay. What's next? This one is a big number.
Okay. Now join
Oh,
the two.
so then you should regroup. So put 0 and then put the small one in here. That's right.
Okay.
So this one is too big number for you. Go straight to this one. Put 0.
What?
0.
Okay.
Then regroup the 1. Put 1 here. Because it's 10, right?
Yeah.
1 right here on the top. Right there. Go 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many 1 in there now? How many 1 now?
1,
No, look. 1 plus 1 plus 1.
3.
3. Go put 3. So the answer is 30. So that's how you do with two numbers, like big numbers. Go right here, the 3. So 15 plus 15 equals...
3.
No, 15 plus 15. How many? All in all.
13.
30. Not 13.
30.
Yeah, 30. Put 3. Okay? So this one. Look, this is 2 number again. This is more easy now. 2 plus 3.
Oh. 2 plus 3. 2. And then a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Go put number 5. Remember, not like S, okay? Like the straight, then down, then bump.
Straight.
Then down,
Then down.
and then bump.
Bump.
Yep. See, this is nice 5. Not look like S. So what's next? 2 plus 3 and then 1 plus
2.
1 plus 1 equals
2.
2. Good job. So 12 plus 13 equals, what is 2 and 5? How you call that? 20,
25.
25. 15 is 1 and 5. If it is 25, it's 2 and 5, okay?
So 2.
Yep.
Wait.
You're here. Mommy put a lot of tests today, huh? Oh, we do a lot now. Oh, this one is 1. You know minus, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, minus. 5 minus 2. So now take off. So 5, take off 2.
Okay.
So how many left?
Turn into 3.
3.
So I don't
Oh,
do
not 2. 4. Mommy, I thought 5 minus 2. So, what it said? 5 minus 4. Go put 5 in your hand.
Mine is 2.
No, 4. Look, it's 4.
Mine is 4.
Yeah, I thought it's 2. Okay, what's next in there? Can you read it to me?
9.
No, that's 6. Right here. So, you think it's this one? 6.
6 minus 2.
Okay, how you do that in your finger?
2.
No, first you do 6 in your hand, your fingers. And then, how many you minus?
2.
2. Put down 2. So, how many left? So, that's how you do it, okay?
GPS
So
is a
that
positioning
was
system
9.
that uses
And it was 9.
Minus 6. So
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3.
Well, very good. Very good na still minus minus. What's next?
Okay. 8.
Hmm?
And then mine is 2.
Okay, what's next?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, very good. Very good na still minus.
Wait, this way? Okay.
Yeah. What's next?
Okay. There was a 6 and then minus 1, 5.
Very good.
So mine go 5.
Make sure that looks like S, okay?
And then down. And then bump.
fill in the blank. GPS
What's next?
is a positioning system that uses blanks and
There
maps to
was
show
6 and then minus 3. So 3.
Work, very good. Good job, lab lab. What's next?
Okay. Now back to the top. So. No. This is wrong.
So what's gonna be 9 minus 3?
So you take out 3.
Mhm.
Then 5.
Nope, 9 minus 3.
Oh. You go away 3. And then there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yep. I'm just making sure. Okay, you can do it, okay?
Okay.
You got this. Mommy will see your brother's work.
Okay.
Morning na ako mag-Ezekiel ganina. Uy, natumba na. Nagiyahang test. Nagpuan lang siya mag-practice pag siya upuan sa iyang number. Kaya siya magbaliktad-baliktad. Nagiyahang puan. Iyahang test gaina. Ano man niya? 5, check na to. 1, 4, 5, 2, 3. Ang iyang 3. Masaya pa kayo siya kakuha magpuan ng magwigil-wigil yung 3. Okay lang kung siya practice naman. Pinagawa pa niya akong activity hindi kan siya. Sa iyang mga sulat-sulat. Mga sulat-sulat niya ng ABC. Practice number po niya. Ang pad niya marapag S. Okay na, improve lang. Practice makes perfect. Ano siya, small letters. Yung H. Mura na nag-Minecraft na. Nag-YouTube na. Ayan ito. So doon na po tag. School na po. Yan N. Wala pa. Ayan mga big letters. Muna na siya. Dugay na siya. Nanangitan na until X, Y, Z. Siya. Very good ang bata. Ako pa Bisaya pangalan. Yung spell and write. Big K. Siya yung mga libro. Ang iyang kuya, if ever maglibro si Ezekiel, ang iyang kuya, ipa-computer na po para ang isa nasa computer, isa makatuto ko udlo. Kasi ang iyang mga kuan sa usalot na subject. Ang Ezekiel, kaya natin pumunta yung number, din ang iyang mga ABC. So muli na, itong mga katikaran, balik na po tayo sa eskwela, mga estudyante, magtanong ulit eskwela, di magbinulakbor. So muli ang iyang kuan Ezekiel, ang iyang book. Diyan din na. Maupili ka Matias si Ezekiel, Matias out niya. Gusto niya siya kasi parang sa kubangan wala pa, pero ano may division. Kelly girl! Bisa kong mga kuha na ha. Gawin na siya multiplication. Nag-practice na nito digit. Tapos man ako nag-complete siya din sa likod. Just glad na mga bataan ni kuan. Kuan ganahan sila mag-mat. Ano bin siguro yung lucky. Hilig mag... Kung ano yung answer din eh. Yung computation. Yan kuan. Kuan na siya. Huwag ka na yung mga answer. Nakabutan ko na nila test. Kung nagtarong ba yun, naminaw ba yun. Kung natumidri o solid liquid gas. Yeah. Dali wala pa niya ako nagkuhan. Nagkuhan pa niya siya dali. Continue pa niya mga worksheet niya. Worksheet. Muna na. Nanguan si Benday. Nagsugod man yung tayo. Didisyon. Sumap lang na siya. Napunta siya niya. Sabi mo ni sa Matias. Asa na yung butang niya yung kuhan. Yang say mabali. Ang 49. Wala na. Mura na kuhan. Ang puro. Mabali kita. Ay nako. Ang kabilin tawad balin po. Sumuna nila hamot bok. Kapag Matias notebook, ako na yung notebook ni Matias. O Matias si. Ako na yung sulod yung Matias. Practice na mo date, mag-division sa month. Kinini nga, nag-writing sila o poem. Hindi mo yung poem, mga sulat-sulat. Very good na yan sinulatan. Biyag-biyag na sinulatan, strict ang sinulatan. So mali ang iyang poem. Na akong ginasulat-sulat para mag-recite ko ni sa pag mga nila sulat ang poem, i-recite na ko iyang basahon. Nakakuha ng iyang agi. Hindi na kay kuan. So muna iyang agi. Kuya na mo Matias. Muna nga mo kuan. Sa lot of subject, basta munang lang. Iyang kuan. Poem ni siya mga poem. Kaya di pabiyaan na magsulat-sulat para ma-improve ang susunod man ang sinulatan. So muna na guys. Kuan. Ang biya kami kinarang na kuan. Organisan nila nga. Kuan ako sa hipos. Kuan ng art din art. Hipos. Magma na po. Doon namang gamay classroom din Ang usahay magyagaw ang agi. Yan na. Ang gamay classroom nga. Kuan, yagawers.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.